Kamusta mga kaibigan? Ako si Warren Caberto, licensed financial consultant for over 11 years. And today I'm going to show you why life insurance is more than just a piece of paper. It's actually one of the most powerful tools for protecting your family's future, lalo na sa mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari. Have you ever thought about this? What would happen to your family kung bigla kang mawala bukas? Alam natin na walang nakakaalam ng future, pero ang tanong, handang-handa ka na ba for the uncertainties? Think about it. Kung mawala ang main breadwinner ng family, biglaan, how long could your savings last to support your family? Ilang buwan? Taon kaya? Comment below kung ano ang estimate mo. Let's see how many of you have considered this. Life insurance is not about money. It's about giving your family peace of mind. I'm sure lahat tayo gusto ng isang bagay. To make sure our loved ones are safe and secure. Kahit wala na tayo. And that's what life insurance does. Hindi ba? Walang katumbas ang peace of mind. I mean, think about it. Anong mas mahalaga, yung bagong kotse o yung siguradong ang pamilya mo secured regardless of what happens? Now, for the practical side, sabihin natin may naipon ka na. Great job! But, alam mo ba, 1 out of 3 families end up depleting their savings dahil sa unexpected events like medical bills or accidents. This is where life insurance comes in. It gives your family financial security so they don't have to sell properties or withdraw from investment just to cover their expenses. Alam nyo ba na ayon sa isang pag-aaral, 60% ng mga Filipinos underestimate how much coverage they actually need. And most of them only think of life insurance kapag malapit na sa retirement. Ang totoo niyan, life insurance works best when you plan early, start when you're young, and when you get better rates, at mas ma-extend ang benefits. Okay, here's another question. Sa tingin mo, anong mas mainam? Starting your life insurance at 30 years old or 50 years old? Type 30 or 50 sa comments and I'll tell you kung ano ang mas ideal. Of course, the earlier you start, the better. At 30, mas mababa ang premium mo and you're already building wealth and protection. Starting late? Well, it's never too late, but you're paying more and you have less time to grow your coverage. So here's the thing. Life insurance, it's not just a practical tool. It's an emotional one as well. Hindi ito tungkol sa laki ng premium. It's about the value it brings. It ensures na hindi magiging problema ang pera sa oras na hindi mo na hawak ang buhay mo. Your family won't have to worry about how they will pay the bills or afford the kids' education dahil na-plan mo na ahead. Alam nyo ba na sa Pilipinas, 80% ng mga pamilya na nawalan ng breadwinner, naiiwan with zero financial security. Shocking, di ba? Pero ito ang realidad. This is why we need to shift our mindset. Life insurance, it's not an expense. It's an investment sa future ng mga mahal natin. At the end of the day, life insurance is more than just a policy. It's a promise, a commitment, na kahit ano pa mangyari, your family will continue to thrive. Kung gusto mong malaman kung ano ang tamang coverage for you, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you make sure na ang future ng family mo ay well protected. Drop me a message and we'll start planning together. Kung may life insurance ka na ngayon, anong benefits ang pinaka-important sa'yo? Comment below. Gusto kong malaman ang thoughts nyo. If wala ka pa, ano ang pinaka-gusto mong malaman tungkol dito? Let's talk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and life hacks. And remember, it's not about today. It's about securing your family's tomorrow. Kita-kits ulit!